Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Facebook not working error. Now to do this, there are various ways. I'm going to guide you through all those methods one by one. Now the first and the easiest method is to just find the Facebook application on your phone, long press on that button, and then just click on this uninstall option. Now once you've uninstalled this application, just go ahead and install it. To install Facebook on your phone, you can just click on your Play Store application, search for Facebook, and then once Facebook opens up on your screen, just click the install option. Now the second option is to go to Play Store and follow all these steps again, and then click on the update button if your app is not up to date. Once you've updated your application, you'll have Facebook working in no time. But don't worry, if those steps did not work for you, there is a final step which is very effective. Now to do this, you'll have to click on the settings option. Once your settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find this apps option. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be redirected to this page. Once you've been redirected, click on this all apps button. Now you can just scroll down and find Facebook or just search for it. Once you've clicked on the Facebook option, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you'll see three buttons in front of you: open, uninstall, and force stop. Now click on the force stop option and then click on OK. After you've clicked on this option, all the actions related to Facebook will be forcefully closed. Now once you've done this, click on the storage and cache option. After you've done that, you'll be redirected to this menu. On this menu, you'll have to click on this clear cache button. Once you've done that, all the excess data and cache will be deleted from your device. Now once you've done this, just close up all the applications and open up Facebook again, and it will be working in no time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.